Have you ever tried unplugging something from an outlet and unplug more than just a plug? Stick around and watch as we go from this to this. Welcome back to Handy Paisa. In today's video, I will show you how to replace an outlet. The tools I'll be using in this video, I'll link to them below. Klein Tools Circuit Breaker Finder, Cobalt Multi-Bit Screwdriver, Multifunctional Wire Stripper Crimper Pliers, Klein Tools 50 to 1000 volt AC non-contact voltage tester. Before performing any electrical work, we need to make sure the breaker is turned off. To do this, I plug the outlet tester to the outlet. Then, taking the circuit breaker finder wand, I start looking for the breaker providing power to the outlet in the breaker panel. When the circuit breaker finder detects the outlet tester, the wand starts making an audible beeping sound and the LED turns red. This is a very handy tool to have if you want to avoid having to flip all breakers off and having someone tell you if you turned the right one off or not. Once we have the power off, we can start working on replacing the outlet. The first step is to remove the outlet plate cover, typically a flat head screw. We then take the outlet out of the outlet box by removing the screws from both ends of the outlet. To be sure, I am using the non-contact voltage tester to make sure there is no power to the outlet. When the outlet is powered on, you will hear a constant audible beeping tone and red LED coming from the voltage tester. The next step is to remove the hot, neutral, and ground wires. The multifunctional crimper pliers makes this step very easy. Now that we have the old outlet removed, we can unbox the new outlet and start wiring it. The hot wire goes to the gold screws and the neutral goes to the silver screws. The ground goes to the green screw. After reversing all the steps we did to remove the old outlet, we are ready to put the outlet plate cover back on. Turn the breaker on and make sure the outlet is good. As you can see, the two lights on the outlet tester indicate a good wiring job and the outlet is ready to be used again.